Hey everyone, Rick here with the Ditch Pig. Just puttering around today with the truck, nothing major. Got a few minor irritating issues I got on the go here. For starters, the window regulator broke loose. And sometimes when I roll down the window, it comes out of the regulator and then the window's flopping around. And that's a pain in the ass, so gonna get that taken care of. Probably nuke that back on. I think it just had spot welds. It wasn't rivets. It had spot welds on it before, so I'll probably do that. Get that fixed. Another thing, the hood release on this. This used to have a little bit of play in it, but it's got a lot of play in it now. I'm not sure why. It's stretching. Maybe it's starting to fray out and break inside the casing. I'm not sure. So anyway, gonna try and address that today. Put some spacers in where that ball's crimped on the end. I'll put something in between there to take up the slack, so that, because I had a hard time getting it open before because of that. This hood's kind of got a, yeah, see it latched again. This hood's kind of got a knack to getting it open anyway, and I don't want to have to deal with that compounded and making it harder every time I go to open it. So that's something you need to have easy access to, is under the hood with this thing. There she goes. But yeah, kind of want that to work right off the get-go. Yeah, see, this cable right here has got some play in it, so I'll put something, there's more to it because that handle isn't shoved in all the way, so I'll put something in between here so that when that pulls that, it works a little better. Also, another thing that needs to be addressed, somewhere's inside that heater box is leaves or something, because when it's spinning you hear it hitting something. I don't think it's going to cause any problems, but it's not good to have stuff in there, and it's irritating as hell when you're driving down the road and you can hear something flapping inside there. So I'm just going to spin the screws out of that heater motor, pull it out, shove my hand in there. Hopefully there's not like a squirrel or something in there. But anyway, we'll get that taken care of. So those are the few little things that are bothering me right now. Got some good news though. I went to Heritage Machining today and I picked up the dry shaft. Glenn had it there waiting and ready for me, and turned out good. He not only changed this, but changed this because it was bent. I got another Tom Wood sticker to shove on it, even though this part is Heritage Machining from there up. Yeah, he did give me a sticker. Thank you very much, Glenn. I love stickers, and I will put this on the pig. And yeah, so that's something else I might delve into today if I have a little bit of time, is throwing all that together. I got a new one of these, so I'll get the A-choke. I'll get that shoved on. There's all the U-joints for it right there. Get that shoved on with this inside of it, and should be good to go for wheeling on Sunday. And that's all it was. One little leaf in there got sucked in. That's all it takes, I guess. But I could hear it flopping around in there, and it was annoying as hell. Yeah, that's it. Throw her back together and she'll be good to go. Okay, so I crimped that piece of aluminum on this, and yeah, took up some of the slack. So that's about how much slack it had there, you know, a little better than a half an inch. That should solve the problem. And the heater box, like you saw, that was just a leaf. Problem solved there. It's starting to get a little bit dark, so I'll probably leave the regulator for another day. But yeah, now it opens and closes good. It was just on the verge of not opening with that slack in the cable, and I don't want that. If I need to get the hood open on this thing, it has to happen when I want it to happen. So pop straight open now, no problem. And yeah, onto the dry shaft. Make sure those things are in there, because yeah, I've had them come out before and it sucks. So the only thing left is put this bad boy on. So there you have it. Dry shaft's good to go again. Probably Friday I'll throw that back in. I'll look at the window regulator then too, because like I say, it's dark out and I don't feel like dragging the welder out and getting that all set up to do that right now, so I'll just do that Friday. So thanks for watching, everyone. Like, subscribe, comment, share, whatever you feel like, and we'll see you in the next video, which will be probably after we go wheeling next Sunday. I'll have a video for that, so we'll see you then.